Alright, hey guys, welcome to Fire Mace Cribs. So first, my nice sir, Quentin, has opened the door. Over here we have the closet. Also, last time I saw one, Quentin had a nice hiding spot. You want to play hide and go seek in here? We got the bathroom. There's a pool beneath us. We have bed A, which is, I don't know who's sleeping here first. We got Mr. Roboto.
Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto.
And finally, we have bed 2. I don't know who's sleeping there either. We got fridge full of nothing yet.
Dad, I
Microwave.
have a room here.
Coffee, which we don't drink. Coffee brewer. Got this luggage and a view of if my freaking camera will focus camera.
Actually, it's not a camera. It's an iPod.
Of Kentucky. Louisville, Kentucky. Which has a different time zone than where I live, so yeah. That's what my room here.
You're actually recording yourself.
I know.
It's hard to.
I was recording that. Then I. Alright. As always, guys, see ya in the next video. Peace.